Hey guys, so in the past week we've been focusing on the three different types of charts, right? So we've did frequency tables first and did 2 days of that. Then we did 2 days of dot plots, and then we have just spent 3 days on stem and leaf. But we've looked at them separately, and really, in reality, what you will see either on the STAR test or later this year, when you are seeing these charts, you're not going to see them in isolation. You're going to see them with other charts. So like your question is going to have probably more than one type of chart on it. So you'll see like a frequency table and a dot plot together on one problem. So it'll be kind of like a combo. So what we're about to do is take a look at least two problems that have like a combination of types of charts, and then you guys are going to do some problems on your own. So let's take a look at this one. See, this problem, it has a frequency table, but it also has a dot plot. So they are like a combination. So it's going to use both of them to answer this type of problem. Let's read the problem. It says, the table shows the height in inches of the students in Mr. Garrison's class. So right here's our frequency table. This is height in inches. This is the number of students who are that tall, right? So we've got 2 students who are this tall, 1 student who this tall, right? It's a frequency table. It says Mr. Garrison made this dot plot to show the heights of the students. The dot plot is incomplete. So he made a dot plot based off of this frequency table. But the story is telling us the dot plot is incomplete, so something's missing. It's our job to check between the frequency table and the dot plot to find which height in inches is the missing data point on this dot plot. So we're going to have to check. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to go line by line to check to make sure this frequency table matches this dot plot. And when we find the part that's missing, that's what we need to know. We're looking for which height in inches is missing. All right, so let's start at the top. Let's start at the beginning. So 53 inches, there should be 2 kids. So down here, 53 inches, there are 2 kids. That one's good. I'm going to put a check mark next to it. I'm going to mark things as I go along so I don't get confused. Okay, next one, 54 inches, there should be 1 kid. 54 kids, there is 1 kid. Okay, that one's good. Keep going. All right, 55 inches, there should be 5 kids. So let's go count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that one's good. All right, check the next one. 56 inches, there should be 7. That's 5, 6, 7. All right, let's come down and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that one's good. Haven't found it yet. We're looking for the one that doesn't match. Okay, let's go to the next one. 57 inches should have 3. Here's 57. Look, 1, 2. Uh-oh. This one only has 2, so it's probably going to be that one because we need another dot right here. But let's double check. Keep checking the last 2. 58 should have 1. Yes, it does. 59 should have 2. Yes, it does. So this one is the one that was missing. So what height in inches was missing from the data point? One of the 57 inches was missing. So you'll have questions that will just have you checking, comparing this data to this data to make sure that they're the same and that they match. Okay, let's try another one. Let's do one more. Okay, here we have another frequency table. It says this frequency table shows the number of times some people visited a movie theater last year. So this says the number of visits are on the left. This one's a little different. We haven't seen a frequency table like this really. Number of visits, this is anywhere from 1 to 5. There should be 4 numbers that are in that range from 1 to 5. Then this one's 6 to 10. There should be 5 numbers that are in that range from 6 to 10. Then 11 to 15, there should be 5 numbers in that range. And then 16 to 20, there should be 3 numbers. Now they want us to find which set of data could the frequency table represent. So which one of these could represent these numbers? Lucky for us, they already put them in order from least to greatest. So that's helpful. So I'm going to separate them into these different ranges. So 1 to 5, there should be 4 numbers. So I'm going to take a look and I'm going to make like myself little brackets. So 1 to 5 would be these, right? Because once I get to 6, that's higher than 5, there should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that one matches. Let's keep going. 6 to 10. Let's mark those. So here's 6. And I got to stop at that 9 because 12 would be in the next range. So 6 to 10, there should be 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. That only has 4 already. I know F can't be the correct answer because it's going to have to match all of them. I'm not going to go and waste my time counting the rest of these. Okay, let's keep going. G, right off the bat, I have a 0. And 0 is not in my list of ranges. It has to start with 1. So already with this 0, I'm not even going to check G. I know that it's out because it has a 0 and this starts at 1. Okay, don't waste your time. Okay, let's check H. All right, we're looking for numbers 1 through 5. So that's this range right here. Again, there should be 4 of them. This one only has 2, right? Only has 2. I need 4. That's not going to work either. Gosh, I really hope J works out or I made a mistake somewhere. We have to go back and find it. All right, let's check J. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake. All right, let's mark 1 through 5. Should be 4 numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that one works. 6 through 10, I should have 5 numbers. So here's 6 through 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. That one does also work out. 11 through 15. 11. Now, I do include the 15 because it says through 15. 11 through 15, I should still have 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one works out. And then 16 through 20, which would be these 3, I should have 3. So J does match this frequency table. What you'll have as you guys start working is that you're going to be looking at some questions that have different types of charts, and it's going to have you compare them and find the ones that share the same data that match. So we just practiced 2 of those, and now you're going to practice some more on your own. Good luck.